Dawson with me, and we are going to cut his hair. It's the World Cup week, and he wanted his hair cut like one of his favorite soccer players, which is?
James Rodriguez.
Okay, James Rodriguez. Okay, that's who we are going to cut his hair like. We are going to do a number 2 on the sides. All right. Go, you know, pretty far up here. Okay, and then on the top of his head, we're going to come up to about here. Okay. Okay, so if there's cowlicks back here, you're going to want to go the opposite way of the cowlick to get that hair short inside of those cowlicks. Okay, and then we're going to come up quite a ways on the top here. And then we'll blend this in just a minute, a little bit better there. I just want to get that, you know, buzzed up into here. Okay, now I am coming up about like in the middle of his eye. That's how far over we are going. Okay, perfect. So let me turn him around here. Okay, perfect. Okay, and James' hair, it comes up and kind of back. It's kind of, well, I'll show you in a minute. So I'm not wanting to take any of the length off of his front. So let me show you how long that is so you guys know how long to keep it. We're not going to want to take length off of there because he's wanting to kind of come back with this. But from back here, I'm going to blend this a little bit better. Okay, so you can see how this is shaved there. I'm going to angle this up and take all of that length off, okay? Okay, and now from that, I'm just going to angle this forward. Okay, because this is going to come forward, so you don't want that, you know, super, super long. Okay, but we're going to keep this that length. Okay, now I'm going to come on this side and I'm going to blend that in, okay? I love to get a really thin comb to blend the sides. So you're going to go in and kind of straight out from the head. You don't want to go in too far. Okay, I'm going to turn him just a second so I can see that in the mirror. Get it, buddy. Okay, now I do want to take my texturizing shears through this front. Because he wears his hair you know, kind of up and back. You want some texture in there, which means you're cutting little hairs into these long hairs, so it will stand up easier. Okay, now for the fun part. Well, I'm going to go around his ears first and his neck, and then we're going to do the fun part where he has a shaved streak in the side of his head, which is really cool. Okay, look down for me. Okay, just going to go up. Hold the ear down. Okay. I like to just come straight across from the top of his ear. Okay. Now, on this side, we're going to go just above his temple, like through here. And James has, it kind of comes back like that and curves just a little bit. Okay, he's got a line going this way. So that's what we are going to do. So we're going to come up above the temple. And of course, when you have darker hair, you're going to just round this tiny bit. When you have darker hair, it will show up more. Okay, so you can see how it kind of comes straight. And we're going to angle up a little bit. And then back down. Sometimes you can take a washable marker and you can even draw on their hair first before you actually do the buzzer. So if that would make you feel more comfortable, then definitely go for that. All right. Okay, so you can see it just kind of comes like this and then it angles a little bit and goes back. Okay, that is his haircut. So now I'm going to take the clay, the black clay. This is from Monate, and I'm going to just rub this in my fingers. I'm going to put it all the way through his hair. All right, Doss, are you excited? Okay, then we're just going to spray it a little bit with some hairspray. If you want to, you can take the blow dryer so it will stand up a little bit. All right, Doss, let me show you in the mirror. How's that look?
Good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, okay, I'm going to just push him around again. Get the hair off the cake. Okay, looking good, buddy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and you guys have an awesome day. Thanks.